So if you have a Toyota and you try to open up the car, I mean, using any of these buttons, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. You have problems with opening the doors or anything like that. It will be really easy problem. Um, the battery on this one is not there forever. It's got a it's got an expiry there, so it's probably just the battery on this one that is gone. If you look really close in here, there is an opening, and that's how you're gonna open up the key fob. So get yourself a little screwdriver, put it in there, twist your screwdriver either way, ever so slowly, and then it's gonna open it up like that. Put your nail in there, and just very, very slowly open it up. Just like that. So now that you open it up, you got another part in here, which is this one. And this is all the electronics inside your key fob. So you still need to open this one up to access the battery. Get your screwdriver again. If you look on this side, that's the best place that you can place your screwdriver in there. So place it in there, slowly dig in and make your way in. And once you're in there, just open it up like that. Once it clicks out, you easily open it up, right? And that's your electronics. There is two parts actually to this one. We got this one as well, which is a silicone cover for all your electronic parts and your buttons. Uh, you don't necessarily need to take this part out. You can simply put it back in there if yours is just like popping out just like mine. That's your battery. The battery in this one is a, let's see if the camera is picking it up. It's a CR2016 model. I've just changed this one, but for the sake of you guys that you might help you out, I decided to show you this. So yeah, if you want to go ahead and shop for this battery, this is the type that you want. CR2016. It's a 3-volt button battery. Very easy. You can even buy it in the grocery stores. And that's the type that you got to use in the Toyota key fobs. One more thing, if you are literally in a really big trouble and your car doesn't open up for any reason, and you only have access to different type of batteries, CR2032 is also going to do the trick for you. The only problem with that one is it's slightly chunkier than this one, so you're not going to be able to put the housing back in there, but it's just going to do as good. Don't worry about it so much if it's a bigger number or it's a thicker battery. All you need to be careful about is the voltage, and both of them are 3-volt batteries, so you're good. And if you can access that one, you can also use it to use the buttons and later on do the purchase for the actual battery, which is 2016. To put it back in there, just pop it in there and you put the other cover back in there ever so slowly. Press it and it should click back in there. That's it. One more thing that I would like to show you is this part on a key fob. This is the chip that is communicating to your ECU in the car. And if you don't know what the ECU is, the computer is the brain of your car. So this part is the chip that is talking to your computer on your car. So whenever you go ahead and try to crank the engine, once it's cranking, this one is going to come to life, and this one is going to tell your engine that this is the actual key for this car. Go ahead and start the engine. If you change the key fob to something aftermarket, anything else, and you don't transfer this one to the new key fob, good luck. Your engine is never going to turn on. So make sure, if you for any reason want to replace this one, buttons or general variety or any reason, if you want to change this one, definitely you need to dig this one out, because that's where it's gonna turn your engine on. Without this one, no chance. To put everything back together, just hold it like that, simple as. Make sure you don't press it upside down, although you can't do. This is just designed one way. Put it back in there, wiggle it. If it's not falling down, you're good to go. Put the cover back on, press it ever so slowly, gently. That's it. And here we go, simple as. Hope you like it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Like this video, drop some comments down below if you have any questions about this, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you very much.